Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a tidy timeline and importing the clip you want to track. First, create a new project with matching resolution and frame rate so motion data aligns. Next, drag your footage to the timeline, and once selected, open the track menu and choose Face Tracking or Smart Track depending on your Capcut version. Make sure the clip is trimmed to the section where the face is visible. This reduces processing time and improves detection reliability. Once the basic track is running, you need to refine parameters to avoid drift. Start by defining the tracking region around the face and choose a moderate smoothing value so motion looks natural. If the face turns or briefly hides, use manual keyframes to correct the path. Scrub frame by frame and reposition the tracker when necessary. Also, attach your overlay, sticker, text, or effect to the tracked point, then play back short segments to confirm alignment before finalizing the full clip. To finish, render a preview of the tracked portion to verify stability and timing. Make fine adjustments to keyframes where the overlay slips. Once satisfied, export using your project's resolution and a higher bitrate if you notice compression artifacts. If tracking fails or jitters persist, split the clip at problem points and retrack each segment separately, or pick cleaner frames with more contrast on the face. One quick troubleshooting tip: re-import a stabilized version of the clip if excessive camera shake ruins the track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.